You do know what day it is today, don't you? It's your mom's birthday. It's BB's birthday. Nope. But today is a very special day, all the same. A special day for a special someone. You may have forgotten, but I haven't. Happy birthday.
What a good way to start the day, huh? Ayun, I just want to go out and go to work that day. Excuse the color of my shirt. Mukha kong human highlighter with how bright this orange is. That's our uniform for today. It's a Wednesday thing. That's how it is. Usually what I do on my birthday, I take the day off and just, sleep the whole day. Pero this year we'll try something new. By something new, I mean, let's go to work. Who knows? It might be challenging, I guess. Pero titignan na lang natin. See what happens today, Enjoy it, have some fun, have a great time. Yoink! Ayan, I got my tripod and I plan to make content again today. So, pupunta tayo sa second floor. Bitbit natin lahat ng equipment natin. So far, so good. Everything's normal. Let's do some content. But before that, sasaglit muna ko order ng pagkain ni wifey. Figured I'll treat her food today, And before ko pa magawa yun, tinatawag ako ng coworkers ko para bumaba. Urgent daw. May naghahanap sa akin. Oh boy, what could it be? There you go. The first surprise of the day comes from my wifey. Ang sweet din niya sa birthday cake. Kinikilig ako sobra. Tikman pa ito mamaya. She got me this amazing meal, so it's my turn to return the favor. Padalhan ko rin siya ng delicious meal para sabay din kami mag-lunch, so that's good. So ayun, may konting downtime. So sumilip muna ako saglit sa Facebook kung ano nangyayari doon. And I'm very surprised. Maraming bumati sa akin at sa birthday ko today, which really, really warms my heart. Hindi ko makita lahat kasi I'm still at work. So later, let's see everything. Pero alam ko meron doon from family members, from friends, ayan, wifey, of course. Wifey, thank you so much. I love you. I love you so much. And yeah, you're wonderful today. God bless you. Napasilip lang ako konti sa mga greetings. Hindi ko nabasa lahat. Later na lang. Not gonna lie, eto na siguro yung pinaka-bright na uniform na nasuot ko sa buong buhay ko. Sobrang bright niya. Alam niyo yung bote ng Mountain Dew? Eto. Ganun siya katingkad. Neon orange siya. Sobrang tingkad niya. So, every time maglalakad ka outside to do something or to get something, mapapalingon talaga yung mga tao sa inyo. Kasi sobrang, I think kapag naglakad ka sa labas, ikaw yung pinaka-attention-seeking color ng uniform out there. So, I'm not complaining. It's just funny. Anyway.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Grabe. No surprises today. This is too much for my heart. But I'm very thankful. Very, very thankful. Very thankful to my wifey. Very thankful to my coworkers. This is an amazing day so far.
Happy birthday to you.
Ay,
Dumaan ako ng iyo.
ano?
Tubusan ako shampoo.
Nakarami ka ng pinamili?
Wala nga, hindi na ako pag, hindi lang talaga
Ay.
pinili ko, Beb. Pinili ko lang talaga yung shampoo, toothbrush, tapos, bumili lang ako ng green tea, yung, Lipton, tsaka, baso. Did I satisfy your inner child?
Yes. Yes, thank
Ayun
you so much.
Ano ba ba?
Sobrang happy. I love you.
Love me too.
Legit na surprise ako.
Friend,
Hindi
ano
ko-
pa nga, surprise kung hindi ka masurprise?
Hindi ko in-expect kasi nasa taas ako noon, nagko-content. Sabi ko, hindi ako makakatagal dito sa taas. Ang init-init sobra. Sabi ko ganyan.
Ano sabi ba? Ano pa sabi ng coworker mo? Paano ka pa tinawag?
Sir Justin, may naghahanap sa'yo sa baba. Sabi ko, wala na. Matagal na akong hindi parcel. Matagal na akong hindi nag-Shopee. So, bakit maghahanap sa akin ng ganitong oras? Pagkababa ko, nandun si Michael tsaka si Danny. Nakaupo dun sa harap. Kapag sungad ko kanyada, nagkakanta na ganyan katrabaho. Konti happy birthday. So, Ajay. Siya man napakigto, tanak kasi ako.
Kaya nga sabi nga niya, na nahiya nga na talaga kasi parang nagulat din daw yung mga kasama mo bakit may gano'n.
Yeah.
Tapos, nagulat siya.
Hindi kasi nangyayari. Hindi
Biglang
nangyayari.
tanong, happy birthday to you.
Yeah. May pinagawa din sa akin. So, pumunta ako sa CSI ng hapon. Dati gamin badok, neon orange. Saktong naglalakad ako, natapat ako doon sa bilihan na cellphone kasi nakakonect ako sa wifi.
Oh.
Nag-wifi lang ako, nag-check ko muna yung mga nag-greet sa Facebook, sabi kong ganyan. Tapos may yayamanin na lola, I guess. Tinapik ako sa side. Yes po. Sabi kong ganyan. May na po ba kayo? May iPhone 17 Pro Max na po ba kayo? Sabi ko, iPhone 17? Ay, ma'am, di ko po alam. Hindi. Tapos sabi ng matanda, ba't di mo alam, di ba, dito yung benta ng cellphone? Sabi ko sa isip ko, iPhone 17. Yung orange na iPhone 17 kasi orange. Akala niya, sales ako ng Apple. So, akala siguro niya, nagtratrabaho ko dun kasi nakatayo ako dun sa labas. Ha?
Ano sabi mo kay nanay or kay lola?
Ayun, sabi ko po, itanong nila sa loob kasi napadaan lang ako. Sabi ko, hindi po ako nagtratrabaho dito. Sabi ko. You know, I went into today looking for a challenge, a way to make turning 27 feel earned. But the day reminded me that a birthday isn't a challenge to overcome, but a gift to receive. That wasn't the day I planned, but it was exactly the one I needed. For another year of life, and for all its unexpected gifts, I just have to thank the one above. Thank you.